Hello Ghana, hello Ghana. They say Weezy Empire Premier, Mr. President, 26th of August, SG Mall, Tech. Advanced tickets, you're really easy. This is how the advanced ticket of Weezy Empire looks like. It's a nice package. I wish the camera guy zooms to you. We a special invitation, advanced no. To go say a Weezy Empire official envelope, and you use it for you. Event organizers no a certified envelope no so a ticket machine. Into one so the type of ticket I want on Mr. President. Almost silly and almost the abo into almost a una bete. It was a single ticket sample na me. Into tia advanced ticket no over to wadi what tia. Almost a ticket initium. Come. Any there's a ticket for Mr. President. The president take it in Nkansah. Any. And you me and son abe no take it no echi. Take it no serial number. Where 289. Take it no serial number 209 no must verify be. And I think they take it in Nkansah so yeah they so single no any no. Once there is a seal of Mr. Weezy Empire Nkansah obe feel a seal of Weezy Empire Nkansah that's all. I think so here children crowd obe hu and there is a gold. We need a single card. I think there's a purple gold, right? How they reflector? Also as a currency. I win this year. Okay. Over say I don't take it to no restrictions. Invisible group. Need to be careful. Advanced ticket, packed in an envelope. It was sales outlet the episode. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The delivery account. Maybe I will be an opposite delivery at the brewer. Just call the number 0249 876161 0249 876161. 26th of August, SG Mall Tech. Who do Tech? So be asa woko SG Mall, Sementia Mall. Ewo Insurance for multimedia building. Echi. See you there. Bye bye.